Today's video, I'm going to be building a cold SMS AI agent for my own business, and this agent's going to be able to book me anywhere between 6 and 7 appointments a day. If you don't know me already, I've built 2 multiple six-figure businesses online. I've been in the whole agency marketing world for the past 3-4 years after dropping out of college. And the purpose of this second channel is to upload daily videos as I grow a brand new AI offer from scratch to 100 grand a month live, right? So not only am I going to be building this with you, but I'm also going to be doing some other things on the business daily log. We're going to be building that cold SMS agent. We're going to be making sure the cold DM agent that we have running right now is going to be working. We're also going to be booking in leads manually that responded to our database reactivation agent, but because of an error in the code, the agent just got out of the session. So I have to go in and manually book those people. And then I'm going to close my first sales call today. So that's kind of the plan for today. Before making this video, I had to make sure that the cold SMS agent was actually legal, and it is. So it's legal sending it to realtors since they, like it says right here, since they are business professionals. It gives you more leeway under US laws, but there are still some key guidelines to follow. So I had to make sure it was legal, but essentially I want to show you how this works. If you're targeting people like realtors, roofers, that type of thing, and you could easily find their phone number somewhere online, this process would work really well. And I was just playing around with this, and it makes a lot of sense on how we could actually do this. Essentially by the way, I have 7 minutes before my first meeting for today. So yeah, I have to basically continue this video throughout the day. But essentially all that I did is I went to realtor.com, which is just a brokerage, one of the biggest brokerages in the real estate world. So you could try and find websites or different places where your specific ideal clients have their phone numbers available. This more so applies again to local businesses, realtors. For me, it just works really, really well since, bro, you see their phone numbers right here. They have them out for everyone to see. And all that I had to do was figure out a tool to automatically scrape their info, right? So if you download this little thing right here called Instant Data Scraper, you'll see, I'm going to just reset everything. Let me actually get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of all these columns, and all we're going to get is the contact and the phone number. We're going to be doing this later on as well. I just want to show you how this actually works because it's really freaking cracked. So all that we do is we basically pull up a page where all the phone numbers are at. We download this tool, and then we just click, or how could I actually show you this? Start crawling. This should be able to work. Let's reset column. Start crawling. Okay, we have to show it. Oh, we have to refresh. Okay. But essentially, you just use this tool to, what the, why is it not showing their numbers? You use this tool to go and find leads. So let's just search this up again. I don't know why it's tripping out. Whatever, the website's not working. But this is literally how I got those phone numbers that you had seen. It just scrapes all their data, and then we collect that data, we download the list, and then we come into Go High Level, and we just add them as a contact. So we import them as a contact, and then we basically have a workflow that'll trigger the AI agent that we're going to build in here. This will be the cold SMS agent right here. We're going to build it, and it's going to go and reach out to all of these leads, start conversations, and book them into appointments. Okay? I got a meeting in 5 minutes. We'll be back in a second. Well, for you, it'll be a second. For me, it'll probably be a couple of hours, but I'll see you real soon, and we'll keep building this out. So we just finished a long-ass day. We were able to close that call that we had. Not for any upfront cash. The guy, first thing he said on the call, he's like, dude, I saw in your video you mentioned there's no upfront commitment, and just gave me a 5-minute objection about how he's been burned before. But I ended up closing him for this on a performance deal, which you never want to do with realtors, but I only did it because I just need to start building these agents for realtors and get real proof of concept with the offer. He really, really liked it. The whole message that I had, I gave him a demo of it. And so there's a lot of opportunity here. But I'm very excited. So I have 2 realtors now that I'm launching AI agents for, and I need to build them because I have meetings with both of them tomorrow. So I'll probably do that tonight at freaking 1 a.m. But yeah, as for the
cold SMS agent. I'm just gonna go ahead and push it back to tomorrow. I had dentist today. You know, I've had a bit of a busy day. Not in a good way, not in a positive way. I wish I could have just sat in front of my computer, just worked 12 hours straight, but I just couldn't. But regardless, we're making progress. So we have 2 clients on board, and what I'm gonna do tomorrow is just finish out these last couple things that I didn't do, which is cold SMS agent. We're gonna get that set up because I think there's a lot of opportunity there. Just having cold DMs and cold SMS as our playbooks, and I think it's gonna be really, really great. We also are gonna connect the cold DM agent, and that's pretty much it for the time being. That's what we're gonna work on. That's what we're gonna focus on. I'm excited. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Let me know if you want these videos to be a little bit more longer, like kind of streams like I did the other day. I know we had some comments and I wanted to respond to them. My boy Jaden said, "This is truly inspiring. Keep grinding, bro. Building alongside you." I freaking love it, dude. That's the point of these videos, like work while I'm working. Obviously this video is way shorter. Just didn't have the chance today, but go watch a 2-hour video and just work alongside me. We had my boy Oswald. I checked out your channel, bro. I saw you starting to put out content as well. Pretty cool stuff. I've been watching these videos in the background while I'm doing my work. It's been nice seeing you build all of this out since the first video. Yeah, man, what you're noticing now is just a little bit of momentum from really the only thing that's actually working right now is just the database reactivation. We just still have to connect the cold DM agent to, like we have a bunch of leads on Instagram. That's kind of where we're at. We have a bunch of leads on Instagram, but we have to connect the cold DM agent to start reaching out. We have the cold SMS that we're working on. Dude, we have the realtors that we're launching this stuff for. We have a contractor that's managing the outreach, and he's trying to scale up to 20 accounts right now. So things are snowballing. And you'll see, you guys, you boys, whoever else is down here, like, or in here that's watching this stuff, let me know down below. But you boys are in for a ride, dude. And follow along. Copy my journey. Follow the process, dude. That's why I'm making these videos. And comment. Ask me questions. Brother, Jaden, you have the opportunity to ask me a question, dude. I've worked, you know, people pay me $6 grand, 10 grand for coaching. And they get incredible results. So, yeah. But that's it for today's video, okay? I'll go ahead and like these so they disappear. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.